Hey guys, welcome to You Cook So Gay. I'm Darius.
Hi, I'm John.
And today we're going to show you how to do roasted beets.
Yes, bitch.
And we love them. So first off, what you want to do is peel off
the beets,
the skin. And after you do that, to put them in the oven, we're going to place them in our aluminum foil. And we're going to place them upright. And we're going to drizzle a little bit of extra virgin olive oil on it.
Just a little bit. We like to prepare 4 beets a week.
Yeah.
We use them for our salad. We'll just cut them up, or sometimes I'll make a goat cheese and beet salad, which I love. And
yummy, yummy.
A little pinch of kosher salt, olive oil, and then some cracked pepper. And then you just seal the foil up.
All right.
Just crumple it shut, and on to the next one.
This is so fun. It's so easy.
It's so simple, and it's so much better than
it's so healthy.
Store-bought beets in a can. And beets are a superfood. They're like anti-toxins, and I don't know, they're delicious and super healthy.
So super healthy for you.
Just a little bit of salt. I got high blood pressure, so.
But you know I love my seasonings. You have to watch that. You don't do it too much. We're going for a third one. I like to place them in here first to get them all situated.
It's easier. I do it the hard way. That's enough.
I know, I love it. I love it.
Yeah, but you don't want them to fry in oil. This is just so the seasoning sticks to the beet. And stir up.
And
the last one. Splash of olive oil. Splash of salt. A dash of pepper.
There you go.
Salt, some pepper. Seal it up. And then Darius is going to put these in a preheated oven to 400 degrees. And we're going to bake them because they're kind of big for about an hour and a half. So into our lovely oven they go. And we'll see you in an hour and a half, bitches.
Yay.
All right. Thanks for tuning in. We will show you the finished beets when they are done. Laters. All right. So we're back with our beets. And they cooked for about an hour and 45 minutes in the oven preheated to 400 degrees. And they've cooled down now. So we'll keep these in the foil and we'll pull them out and cut them up and use them in a salad, or I'll make a beet salad with goat cheese, which is one of my favorite dishes. But you just want to check them to make sure. So you kind of pull the foil back and take a toothpick, and it should insert like as if you're going into a baked potato. It should be firm, but go in pretty easily. If you have a lot of resistance, it means it's still raw in the center. So just throw them back in the oven if that's the case, because we always try to buy beets that are the same size, like maybe about the size of a tennis ball. But then some beets are really small and some are really big. So try and get the same size beets so they cook evenly. And good luck. Enjoy your beets.
And thank you for watching.
Laters.